If you want to know how to sell Axie Infinity token for fiat currency, you are at the right place. Go to our homepage and let's get started. From the drop-down menu, select the AXS. Please pay attention to the minimum amount available for your exchange. For each transaction, we provide exchange details. Guardarian has a fixed fiat currency fee and does not charge you with additional or hidden fees. The expected exchange rate is the rate at the moment of calculation. Please note, depending on market volatility, the final amount can be changed. Ensure you have read the terms and conditions and press the button to continue. Fill in your full name and IBAN number and hit Set Details. Write your phone number for SMS verification. Guardarian will never call you. Stay safe. The following step is a quick and easy verification of your identity. Take a picture of your preferred document type, and let's move to a facial check. Turn on your camera, place your face within the frame and roll the head in a circular motion. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. The status will automatically update once the verification is completed. After this, you'll need to make the payment from your crypto wallet. Use this step to check the details one more time before proceeding with the payment. The exchange will be performed immediately after we receive payment. That's all. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a message in the comments.